I've done a couple videos about really weird phones, all right? The world of phones is kind of crazy in a way that was unexpected. You know, I took a trip to China. I was looking at the weird stuff, trying to uncover the weird for you. But today, I've got to go back and reevaluate the whole thing because in front of me, I have what I know, not what I think. What I know is the weirdest phone, period. The weirdest phone on planet Earth. It's in this nondescript white box in here. And the special part, it's like 27 bucks. It's affordable. Now, Will Do had nothing to do with this, okay? This was actually a tip from one of you guys. It was like, Lou, you have to check this out. I need to know if this thing is even real. First things first, you know something's a little off. You're like, that's a bit chunky. That's a chunky looking phone there. Don't click off, okay? You don't know what it is. I know it says BLT. There's no bacon, no lettuce, no tomato. Pay attention more now than ever. Oh, a little giveaway. You see this, Jack? Huh? Explain that. That ain't for cleaning your ports. I want to see you in the comments guessing. You're like, I know what it is now. All right, but don't lie and watch the whole video, then go back and guess. That's no fun. This is not a game. I haven't thrown anything at Jack in a while, so I caught him off guard there. This is the phone. I'm gonna call it the BLT because it says it on there, though I'd rather have a bacon, lettuce, tomato right now. Army green, very rugged. Apparently this thing is waterproof. 3,800 milliamp hour battery. You see that, Jack? You didn't expect it. Jack. It says shaver on it because this smartphone has a shaver on it. I don't even, What's even what anymore? What are we doing? Simulation theory, inception, dream within a dream, unbox therapy within unbox therapy, inside of a shaver, inside of another version of unbox therapy, on a typewriter, forever with a monkey. This is crazy. Like somebody had to make this. They had to combine these things. There had to be a factory, and there had to be drawings before that. There had to be meetings. What kind of werewolf dude needs to have the speed dial and the speed shave all in one? Probably one like me, actually. You see what's going on here? The Marlboro Man is the guy who needs this. He's always clean shaven, even though he's on the horseback, he's in the Wild West. No one in the Wild West would have been clean shaven, would they? I had to buy this. You guys don't understand. This was an insta buy for me. Like, I saw this, I got the tip, clicked the link, and I bought it. You need to know that there is no end to human ingenuity. It does have a very bright flashlight in it, because why wouldn't you? Let's just throw that in there. USB in and out. You can charge up another phone. Ha na 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 na. Darling, darling, shave your face. You're disgusting, la la la. Ooh. Actually, you know what? For a $30 phone, I actually kind of like the UI compared to some of the other weird phones. What is Charger Baby? Well, dual SIM, gotta have it. There's a camera. Ooh, here we go. Oh, man. Darling, 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 go and shave your face today.
Once again I'm longing for your hungry touch. Once again I'm longing for your hungry touch.
That is the one audio file on the phone. Once again I'm longing for your hungry touch. Full body shave or what, boys? Let's try the hand region over here. Actually, you seeing that difference? That's smooth as a baby's bottom right. Look at that. Will, you're not impressed? That's a smooth hand. I don't know, it shaves. What are we doing? Are we evaluating the quality as a shaver? It's 20 bucks and it's also a phone. This is on the fringe. This is a fringe product. One of the major accomplishments in human history. Now, if you want to challenge the weird phone champion status of this phone right here, then let me know down in the comments. Send me your links. I want to see them. There's weird phones, but I don't think you could beat this one. So step your game up, kids. The Weird Phone Olympics starts now. Try to dethrone this monster. Good luck.